Hello everyone and welcome back. In today's video, I'll show you how to optimize images on your Shopify store for faster loading without losing noticeable quality. Large image files are one of the biggest reasons Shopify stores load slowly, especially on mobile devices. By optimizing your images correctly, you can improve page speed, create a better shopping experience, and even help your store perform better in search results. The good news is that you don't need any coding knowledge to do this. Let's get started. First, prepare your images before uploading them to Shopify. Resize your images so they match the largest size they'll actually be displayed on your website. For example, if your product image only displays at around 1200 pixels wide, there's no reason to upload a 5000 pixel image. Larger files take longer to load, but usually don't provide any visible improvement for customers. Keeping the dimensions appropriate is one of the easiest ways to reduce loading times. Next, compress your images before uploading them. You can use any reliable image compression tool to reduce the file size while maintaining excellent visual quality. After compression, upload the optimized images to your Shopify products, collections, blog posts, or theme sections just as you normally would. Most customers won't notice any reduction in image quality, but they will notice that your pages load much faster. It's also important to choose the correct image format. For most product photos, webp is an excellent choice because it provides high quality with smaller file sizes. JPEG is another great option for photographs and lifestyle images, while PNG should mainly be used for graphics that require transparent backgrounds. Using the right format helps keep your files as small as possible without sacrificing appearance. After uploading your images, visit your storefront and review them carefully on both desktop and mobile devices. Check product pages, collection pages, and your homepage to make sure everything looks sharp and loads correctly. If an image appears blurry, replace it with a slightly higher resolution version instead of uploading an excessively large file. Another helpful habit is to avoid uploading duplicate versions of the same image. Keeping your media library organized makes it easier to manage products and prevents unnecessary storage of oversized files that may never be used. If your homepage contains large banners or slideshow images, optimize those as well. Homepage banners are often the first images customers download, so reducing their file size can noticeably improve your largest contextual paint and overall loading speed. You should also review your store whenever you add new products. Make image optimization part of your normal publishing process so every new product follows the same standards. Doing this consistently prevents your store from gradually slowing down as your catalog grows. After you've optimized your images, test your website using Google Page Speed Insights. Compare your results before and after making changes. While images aren't the only factor that affects performance, they're often one of the easiest improvements you can make, and you may notice better loading times almost immediately. Finally, remember that faster images don't just improve speed scores, they also create a smoother shopping experience, reduce bounce rates, and help customers browse your products more comfortably, especially on slower mobile connections. Thanks for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel for more Shopify tips and tutorials, and I'll see you in the next one.